Your favorite is green or blue? Okay, got it. So we will go that first. This one is blue, right? This is my notebook. Okay, so we will see one by one. Firstly, Chinese, we always put this word 色. Follow me, 色. Yeah, this is a basic word always put at last to mean different color. So blue, we see 蓝色. Yes, that means blue. Okay, and by the way, Megan, do you want to learn Chinese character? Okay, so I will write it down here, but I show you is a simple character. Okay, this is a simple character. Okay, this is 蓝色. Can you see some letters on my blackboard? What's that color? What's that color? Here. Yeah, right. Try to read this one again. 色. Yeah, because this one, E, in English is E. In Chinese, we read it by So, it's 色. 蓝色. Very good. It's 蓝色. Okay. Do you have something is 蓝色? Could you please try to say in Chinese? What's that color? Very good. That's 蓝色. Okay. The second one I show you here. What's this color? Yes, right. I write here for you. It's 红色. Can you see that? Yeah, very good. It's 红色. That means right. 红色. Do you like 红色? Okay. Do you have something is 红色? Oh, this again? Yeah. What's that color? Oh, I not notice this one. Where is 蓝色? Can you finger to me? Where is 蓝色? Oh yeah, this one is 蓝色. Very good. Okay, this is 蓝色, 红色. And this guy, do you know him? Who's him? Yeah, meaning. Meaning is yellow, right? Yellow. We called it as 黄色. Yeah, that means yellow, 黄色. Okay. What about the banana? What's that color? Yeah, attention. This one is 黄. This is 红. 黄色. Yeah, because it's such as early, so we see 黄色. Try to read that again. 黄色. Very good. So now we know the three colors, right? Blue, red, and the yellow. 黄色. Okay. So now let's play a game. Very little game. So firstly, I see the colors. Please finger and show me. Okay, what's that color? And when you understand me, you can tell me the color again. Did I make myself clear? Okay, are you ready? I want you finger me. The first color is 蓝色. Right, very good. Second one is 红色. Oh, that's your notebook? Great. Okay. Yeah, I see that. 红色. Next one, 黄色. Yeah, very good. 黄色. Okay, you did a very good job. You can listen to me very well. Now it's your turn to speak. You speak the color. Helena, finger to you. Okay. This one, I think. Can you see that? Yeah, I have a chalk. Okay. What else? Oh, I have something here. 蓝色. Okay. What else? Okay, I'd like to show you my flower here. Some leaves, they are 黄色. Can you see that clear? Okay. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。